Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I hate it when I don't turn record on. I babble for 15 minutes and nothing's recorded. Anyway, today's show is about helping other people. I get a lot of help from my viewers and subscribers. For instance, Jeff King loans me a bunch of radios. He's way up in Jacksonville, and he brings them down to. And Jeff asked me to give a little announcement, shout out to the club that he belongs to, and it's where he gets some of his radios. It's called the Jacksonville Vintage Radio Club. That's what it's called now. They just changed the name. Come down here. This is a website. It used to be the Jacksonville Antique Radio Society. And I'll put a link to this webpage. And they have some meetings, of course. Here's the meetings for January, February, March, so on. Here's some pictures of mini ham fest they've had. I think this is where Jeff's got some of his radios. Bunch of cool radios here. Oh, I wonder if that's the 700. I'm looking for the 700. Oh, there's a radio I've got right there. I got that radio. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Check it out. If you're in the Jacksonville area, go to one of their meetings and you too might get some cool antique radios, or at least see some cool antique radios. That's it. I will now go to another gentleman that asked for some help. And this is a YouTuber, a new YouTuber called, his channel is called Radio Wave, one word, Seeker. And he does shows on radios. And this is the one that caught my eye originally, was why get an SDR? And so I watched that, and I left him a comment right here, great show. And he asked me, because he knows my show, he asked me to put him a little plug in for his show, because he's just starting out. He's got 132 subscribers, so check him out. Again, if you go to YouTube and search for Radio Wave Seeker, you will find his channel. So now you can see I am now subscribed. So that's it. Jeff brought me 15 radios this week. I reviewed one. After this show, if I can learn how to do it again, I will review another one. So stand by. Coming up is another one of Jeff's radios. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.